Today we are going to learn about one and many. Now what is one and what is many? When we talk about one object, it is called one. But when we talk about more than one object, it is called many. Now when we change the words from one to many, the spellings changes. In some words we put S in the end, in some words we put ES in the end, and in some words we put IES in the end. Today we are going to do the words where we put S in the end when we change from one to many, and the words where we need to put S in the end, we are going to do those words. Now let's see an example. This is a picture of a bib. And how many bib do you see? You see only one bib. How many bib? Only one bib. See the other picture. There are more bibs. There are more than one bib. So there are many bibs. There are many bibs. Now say the word bibs. Now can you hear the sound? We add in the word bibs. So for one we say bib, and for many we say bibs. Now let's take another example. We see a picture of a pin. We see a picture of a pin. And how many pins do we see? We see one pin. How many pins? One pin. Now in the other picture, there has many pins. More than one, so it means many pins. So we don't have to keep saying many. When we say pins, it means many. So we will put the sound pins. So for one, we say pin, and for many, we say pins. Let's see another picture. Now, we see a picture of a hat. When we say hat, that means one hat. When we see more than one, that means many. So we will say hats. Now, do you hear the sound of hats? So we will add in the word hat. When we say hats, it means many. And when we say hat, it means one. Now let's see another example. Now this is a picture of bins, where we throw garbage. Now when I'm saying bins, I'm talking about more than one. Now you see the other picture. It is of bin. When I say bin, that means only one. Now when you hear bins, you hear the sound of s. When we remove sound, it will become bin, and which means one bin. Come on, let's see the other picture. It is a picture of pans. It is more than one, so we will say pans. We'll add the sound of S. Pan. Now this picture is a pan. So when we write pans, we write S. And when we remove S, it becomes pan. That means we're talking about one pan. Let's talk about some words of one and many. Pig, pigs. Cap, caps. Rod, rods. Fig, figs. Pot, pots. Zip, zips. Bat, bats. So today we learned about one and many. So keep practicing. Bye bye.